Getting new hearing aids, a question they often have is, what other costs will I have down the road? And one of the big ones they think about is, what if I have to repair it? There are two places to get hearing aids repaired, and that affects the cost the most. If the hearing aids can be repaired in the hearing aid clinic or in the hearing care clinic, that's likely going to be probably about $50. Sometimes nothing, sometimes it may be a little filter replaced quickly for you, or they can disassemble the hearing aids and clean them out and run them through their dryer. All of that usually would be part of your hearing care plan that came with the hearing aids. If something like a speaker needs to be replaced and it's within warranty, then the local clinic can often replace that right on site. If it's outside of the repair warranty, then there's likely going to be close to a $100 fee for that receiver. So you can think of the cost being anywhere from included in what you've already paid to upwards of $100 for a repair in clinic. If the hearing aid has a problem with the amplifier or the microchip or something that's built into the hearing aid that the local clinic can't repair and it has to go to the manufacturer, then you're looking at upwards of $400 to $500. Usually that will come with a warranty extension, another 6 or 12 months on the repair. That usually can only be done up to about 5 or 6 years because manufacturers won't offer that service beyond 5 or 6 years. And our goal in our clinic is always to help people maintain and care for their devices in such a way that they are less likely to need expensive repairs.